climb inside the 2010 Infiniti G37X. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all four corners. Infiniti infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, and remote keyless entry. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.